In this video, I'll show you how to fix your message could not be delivered on Discord. So if you see this message you try to send to someone and then you keep getting this message, it normally means the other person has disabled direct DMs from server members. So there's two ways to fix it. First, you can request to make this person a friend. So here you can see you can send friend request and then they have to accept it, and then once they accept it then you can message them. And the other way is you can tell this person, if you know like the person, you can tell them to go to settings. So go to profile and then go to settings, then go to content and social, and then they have to go to server settings. They have to make sure to enable direct messages and to enable message requests. So they have to have these two enabled, and you should be able to text them even without having them as friends. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.